Welcome to this video about the ABB Ability Building Analyzer. In this video, we will look at energy savings measurement. Let's start with this view of electrical consumption in 2020. After mid-March 2020, with the first lockdown, electrical usage undercut the target significantly because of the lower occupancy brought about by most people working from home. We can see the difference between real usage and the target line, and we can see the overall savings in the summary table here. But there are more optimal ways to represent the energy savings. Let's take a look at the first one. Select Overspend from the drop-down menu. We now see the differences between real values and the target values plotted as a bar graph. This lets you easily see where you are over target or under target and by how much. Let's look at another useful view. Select Overspend CUSUM from the drop-down menu. This line graph outlines the cumulative sum of the values above and below target. The slope of the line at any particular date represents the net overspend or underspend for that meter up to that date. For example, here until March, we have a flat line, meaning that we were just meeting targets. After the first lockdown, building occupancy decreased, so the slope of the line became negative to represent the net underspend. As the year progressed, the net underspend got greater and greater. If, on the other hand, we were to continuously exceed targets, the slope of the line would have been positive. You can also select the bar graph to represent overspend or underspend in a more striking way. To see the impact the savings have on cost or emissions, you can select a unit conversion here.